This is how to download Python and start coding now. First, you go to your browser and search python.org. You will be met by this website and we want to click downloads and then download the latest version of Python. We run the file and here you need to click add Python to path. This is very important as it lets the computer know Python is on it and it makes your life 10 times easier. Now we can just click install now. As you can see, the Python installation was successful. If we run command prompt from here, we can type python space hyphen version and we should see the Python version that we have downloaded. This guarantees that the download was successful, but as you can see, writing code here is not very beginner friendly. This is fine for some early tests, but as a beginner you will want something easier to write, run and organize your code. That is where PyCharm comes in, an IDE, basically a smarter place to code. It has some very cool features such as highlights error instantly, auto-completes for code and lets you run programs with one click, and without forgetting the fact that big projects are easier to handle. To download it, we search PyCharm and click the first link. Make sure that you are downloading this from the official website. All links in the description, by the way. It comes in two versions, a paid one and a free one. I do not recommend buying the paid one as you can do all things in the community edition, and also I do not like paying for things that I can get for free, and I am sure you don't as well. Here you choose your operating system and click download. We run this file, click next, and you can also change the location of the download, but I am going to keep this as it is. I am also going to tick this to add a desktop shortcut. Click next and install. Once it is done, you can choose to run PyCharm. You should be met with this interface where we create a new project. You can also change the location of this file if you want. I will keep it as it is. And now click create. From here, you want to go to the top left and click new file or directory, Python file, and now you can name your Python file, and there you have it. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe for more content like this.